Welcome to our Safer Internet Day Assembly.
We are going to share lots of important information with you about our theme. Want to talk about it?
Our theme this year is all about knowing that there are always people you can talk to offline about things that happen online.
Safer Internet Day is held every February all around the world. Last year, over 170 different countries celebrated the day.
Safer Internet Day is a chance to think about any worries you might have about using technology and the internet, but it's also about celebrating all the fantastic things technology can help us with.
Our school is a registered supporter of Safer Internet Day because we know how important it is to keep ourselves safe online.
Last year, over half of the children in the UK heard about or joined in Safer Internet Day. But remember, staying safe online is more than just one day. We need to keep ourselves safe all year round.
And it's not just schools who join in with the day, lots of other people get involved too, including the government, lots of charities, sports clubs, the police, and even the companies who make your favourite apps and games.
By participating in this assembly, we're joining thousands of others in marking this day.
We want this year's Safer Internet Day to be the biggest and best celebration yet.
It's so important to recognise all the exciting, amazing things we can do online. Maybe you like to play games or chat with your friends. Maybe you like to use the internet to learn new things, or maybe you love watching videos.
Although there are lots of incredible things to do online, the internet isn't perfect, and sometimes people use it in ways that are not safe, kind, or thoughtful.
Maybe you or your friends have seen things go wrong online. Safer Internet Day is a good chance to think about online issues and what we can all do to make the internet a safe place.
To help us stay safe in the first place, what set of rules should we always follow when using technology?
The SMART rules.
And there are lots of places around our school where you can remind yourself of the SMART rules.
The theme of Safer Internet Day this year is Want to Talk About It, making space for conversations about what happens online.
We want to focus on the letter T and how important it is to know who to tell about your online activity.
It's really important that all the children and young people like you get to share their opinions and experiences of going online, the good and the bad.
Having an open, honest conversations about what you see and do online means if there's ever a problem, it can be sorted out quickly.
Communicating with each other can help us to all work better together, whether that's speaking, using sign language, writing someone a note, or whatever method you use.
You probably already spend lots of your time chatting with different people in your life. It might be at playtime, at home, or even online.
There are lots of benefits of talking to other people
It's a way to connect and make friendships. It's a chance to learn new things and ask questions. It's a way to share information and ideas. You can get help when things go wrong. It's fun.
All of these reasons and more to show that communicating is not only important, but can make our lives better too.
It's especially important if you have a worry or concern. Telling someone can help you feel better and means you're not on your own.
Together you can work out what to do next.
Chatting with your friends about what you all enjoy doing online can be great fun and a lovely way to make your friendships stronger.
You can have the same kind of conversations with the adults you know and trust too.
Talk to your parents, carers, teachers, and any other adult who looks after you about your favourite things to do online, or share your top online safety tips to see what they think.
The more we talk about the things we see and do online, the easier it is for us all to support each other.
It also means that if something ever does go wrong, it's even easier to find someone to help.
Think quietly in your head about who you would talk to if you had a problem online.
The adults at school want to make sure we all feel safe and happy in all parts of our life, including online.
If you ever have a worry about something that's happened online, you can come to any adult at school for advice. They'll always listen carefully and give you some ideas of what you can do.
Remember, if you're not able to speak directly with a trusted adult, the whisper button at the bottom of our school website homepage is a way to share anything more that's happened online.
So, this Safer Internet Day, we have a special challenge for everyone in this room. We challenge you to talk about it.
Talk to your friends. Talk to the adults you know and trust.
Tell them about the funny things you see online or your favourite game or app to use. Tell them about the latest trends or your favourite videos or the trick to beating your favourite level in a game.
Tell them about the things that frustrate you or the things that make you laugh out loud.
Tell them about how you think they can best support you in your online life.
Most importantly, tell them if something is worrying you. It's never too late to share an online problem and get help and support that can make things better.
Happy Safer Internet Day, everyone!